Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Beverly here. In today's tutorial, I created this super natural everyday makeup look, and this is pretty much my staple look when I just want to do my makeup quick and make it super wearable and easy. So this is the look. If you guys want to see how I achieved it, then go ahead and keep on watching. And if you guys like my videos, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So the palette that I use is the new Nudie Volume 2 palette from Laura Los Angeles. I absolutely love this palette. I actually like the original Nudie Patootie palette, but this one is just as good, and it's a lot more small and compact. So if you want to travel with this one, it's a lot more convenient. This is what it looks like on the inside. So the first shade that I went in with is the shade Bum, and it's a really beautiful light beige matte shade, and I just picked that up with a fluffy blending brush, and I just put that shade in my crease as my transition shade, just going in back and forth motions in the crease. You are only bringing out the worst in me. Next, I went into the shade Low Cut, and it's this beautiful matte brown shade, and I just picked that up with a defined angled brush, and I started to map out where I want to add definition in the crease. Even though it does look a little bit crazy, I am going to be blending it out. Don't worry, I just love doing this technique because sometimes when you use too fluffy of a brush with a darker shade, it just goes everywhere, if that makes sense, and it can tend to look a little bit muddy. So I just like that precision, and then I go in with the transition shade that I used previously and the same fluffy blending brush, and I just went directly over that line in back and forth motions and circular motions to get the blendedness that I desire. And then going back into that first transition shade once again, the shade Bum, I just picked that up with a flat synthetic brush this time, and I just packed that all over my lid. And the shade is super pigmented, so even though I didn't apply concealer and clean up the lid, it did show up very vibrant, which I really like. So I just applied it all over. And then I went in with that same matte brown shade, and I picked that up with a flat shader brush, and I just started to pack that all over my outer lid area, fading it inwards. And I like to start when I have the most product on my brush in the very outermost corner, and then when I barely have any product left, I drag it inwards, and that's how you get that nice blended effect. And then going back into that first transition shade, I just started to apply that on my lower lash line. I did want to keep it super natural and wearable, so I didn't go in with a deeper matte brown shade. I just left it at that. And then I applied some lower lash mascara. And this is the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you guys like my videos, make sure you send my channel to your guys' friends and family. Share my channel with people that you know, just to spread the word. And I appreciate you guys so much. Thanks for all the love and support, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.